Hey truck owners! If you're looking to upgrade your 2024 Chevy Silverado with a premium bed cover, you're in the right place. Today, we're showcasing the UnderCover Elite LX tonneau cover. And let me tell you, this isn't your average truck bed cover. This beauty comes paint-matched in Olympic white to blend seamlessly with your Silverado's factory finish. What makes the Elite LX special? First, it's built with heavy-duty ABS composite construction that's incredibly lightweight yet durable. UnderCover's patented X-Effect infrastructure adds serious rigidity while maintaining that sleek one-piece design. Security? Absolutely covered. The integrated lock mechanism and weatherproof EPDM rubber seals keep your cargo safe from both thieves and the elements. Plus, with a 500-pound weight capacity, you can haul serious gear. But here's where it gets premium. That soft-touch carpet headliner underneath gives your truck bed a luxurious feel. And the integrated LED light with cargo retriever? Game changer for those late-night loading sessions. Installation is completely drill-free, and it comes with wall-mount hardware for easy garage storage. Gas-charged struts hold it open effortlessly, and the one-hand operation makes access simple. Ready to transform your Silverado? Links to get your UnderCover Elite LX and other truck accessories are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.